Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I can't believe it's already over halfway through summer and I haven't done this look yet. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are doing a summer glam look, and let's just get started. Okay, so for this look we are going to be using exclusively the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette, and it's filled with a bunch of warm-toned summery colors. And I've already put on my powder, my bronzer, everything like that for my actual face makeup. And I've also put on the NYX eyeshadow base, so let's just get on into the eyeshadow. So we're going to be taking this fluffy brush. It is a Morphe M456 brush. And we are actually going to be going into this transition shade right here, which is called Marina. Okay, so we have just put Marina into our crease using the Morphe M456 brush. Now with that same brush, I kind of want to go into a deeper color. So we're going to be going into the color Beach Babe and just darkening up the outer corner and blending that about halfway up the crease. I honestly can't believe how fast summer is going by. I mean, it's already over halfway done. We're like nearing the end of July? Yeah, wow. We're nearing the end of July and this is just insane, honestly. Now, I don't know about the rest of you, but when I think of summer, I think of really warm colors, and I think of going swimming and swimsuits and camping. But to tell you the truth, summer is not my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday is actually fall. So I'm super excited for all of the fall fashion to come out. I'm excited for the leaves to change. I'm excited for all of the warm tones when it comes to fall. So I'm just really excited for the fall season, and yeah, and I'm also going to be involved in planning a baby shower. I'm so excited. It's going to be fall themed and it's just really exciting. I'm so happy. Like, there's so much good news coming up and I'm just so overjoyed, honestly. So taking a more compact brush, we are going to be taking the Morphe M431 brush and going into Laguna and tapping off the excess so we don't get any fallout on our lid, if we have any already. No, surprisingly, there's no fallout yet. So we're going to be just putting that into the very outer part of this eye. And using that previous brush that we used before, we're actually going to be blending this together with no product. No additional product on there. Just blending those all those shades together. So I don't know if any of you know or even care to know, but I'm kind of excited because last night I saw on YouTube that they're going to be making a Mr. Rogers biopic, and Tom Hanks is going to be starring as Mr. Rogers, and it's called A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood. And for those of you who just do not know, I actually grew up watching Mr. Rogers, so I am particularly really excited. I feel like they're recreating or just kind of creating movies related to things that I grew up with, like Winnie the Pooh and Mr. Rogers. And what else? They're doing Mulan. They're doing a live action Mulan really soon. So I'm going to be going in now with the Morphe M124 brush. And I'm going to be going into this kind of coppery shimmer color called Boardwalk. And there's going to be major fallout from this because it's a glittery kind of color. So I'm just going to be packing this on the very inner center of my eye. I'm going to be using this mirror. So just focus it in the center. Don't even take it up into your corner. So yeah, I'm just super excited for all of the new releases coming out, and it's just kind of weird, you know, like they're recreating a bunch of things that I grew up with. And it's super exciting, but at the same time I'm kind of crossing my fingers that they don't ruin my childhood, you know? So with the Morphe M456 brush, we're going into this kind of champagne color called Tan Lines. I love this palette because all of the colors are actually named after summer themes. So that champagne color is going to be going in the inner corner of our eye and just coming out to the center of the eye and blending in with the other coppery color. And it honestly kind of reminds me of a sunset, and sunsets remind me of summer as well. But I swear the prettiest sunset that I've ever seen in my entire life would have to be the one that I saw in Arizona. I mean, when I was there in Phoenix, it was just so beautiful. It looked like the sky was made up of cotton candy. And these colors in the Beauty Creation palette are actually blending really nicely in together. Even the metallics, which I was a little bit nervous and hesitant about, but you know, you don't hear me complaining. Okay, so with another Morphe M124 brush, we're going into Sunset. Tapping off the excess so we don't get any fallout. And we're actually going to be taking this color and dragging it along our lower lash line. Okay, so I just finished putting on white eyeshadow from this palette with the Morphe M506 brush. So it's this fluffy brush and everything. And I put it on my inner corner and my brow bone. So now that the eyeshadow is all done, like literally, I feel like this is it, that I'm going to do the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on a light eyeliner, my mascara, and my new lashes, the wispies that I just did. If you saw my last video, you know exactly what these look like. I actually reshaped the band to where it looks really good now and not all jank, all wonky and everything. So I fixed the band and everything, and I'm just going to pop those on, and I will see you guys in 1 second. So I haven't put on the lashes yet, but I have put on the mascara and the eyeliner. So right now I just realized that we have not put on any, I just realized that we haven't put on any highlight, so I'm going in with the Peach Goddess Skin Frost from Jeffree Star. I want it to be, ooh, look at that. Do you see that? They're going to be seeing us from Area 51. Is anyone going to Area 51? I know a bunch of crazy people are going, but let's be real. I'd be one of them crazy people that would be going if I could afford it. So, and now on to the lashes. Once you reshape the eyelash to fit your actual eye, it goes on so nicely. That's why a lot of people hate it when they first apply the lash the very first time, because they don't bend the lash band. That is key. That is essential. Are these two even compatible with each other? I swear. It's like they're not even sticking to one another. Okay. I'm like, did I get a faulty pair? Are they just not like magnetically charged to one another? What's going on? Oh, victory! There we go. There, our eyelashes are on. They're super long, but they're not as thick that I wanted. That's true what you say. You can't have it all. I'm gonna be putting on the Ciati Glitter Flip in the shade, what is the shade? Infamous. Just to match the summery kind of vibes we got going on. And I don't know, when I think of summer, I think of like glitter bombs and everything, and people with super shiny like body glitter on their shoulders and stuff. And yeah, that's just what I think of. So we're gonna lock in the face and set it with the MAC Fix Plus. And it's just super refreshing and it's hot outside. So this is the completed makeup look for the Summertime Glam. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!